Okay, moving on to this euro pound now. Um, okay, so last week I took a signal on, let's see, it was the Tuesday. Took a short signal here, which I was quite happy with how the pattern sort of went. We made the 9 count, basically bounced from that trend line. Had a gap in the market the week before, and we had this all important level here, but we actually opened above that level on the Sunday, so it kind of messed things up. But after Monday's close, I was quite convinced that we'd close back below that level, this sort of triple level here. Well, not triple level, but a level that we'd bounced from quite a few times. So we closed back below there on the Monday night. So I was quite convinced that the whole setup, it was looking good to go short. So I managed to get into this position. Took some profits here at the 86.62, so that brought about 124 pips, um, which was nice. Took a short term profit as well on the day, and then I have one more position left here, which I plan to take out of the weekly TDST support, and yeah, so see how that goes. We had a strong reaction on Friday in the euro across the board. This is actually a bullish outside bar right at the bottom of a market. So I'm a wee bit kind of scared now that this could be a bit of a turning point in the market, which is obviously not ideal. But if we do look at this technically, though, we have actually removed the TDST support to the close on Thursday, and then we've actually just come up and bounced from this trend line here. If I zoom out just a wee bit more, we'll see the trend line. So we've removed it cleanly, removed the TDST support, and then we have bounced from this trend line. So looking at all the technicals anyway, it's certainly bearish. This is a bearish confirmation, then another bearish confirmation. Okay, we've got this bullish outside bar, which is obviously slightly worrying, but this is based on fundamentals really. So I don't know whether the technicals might come back into play and just sort of push this one down from the off this week. It's kind of hard to say. Again, the whole Greece situation, I think they've gone to the IMF now, and I think there was talk of some sort of thing getting sorted out there on Friday, which is why we had the bounce in the euro. And then I got up on Saturday morning to see the news, and there was like riots and stuff in Greece. So I don't think anything's really that rosy yet, or anything's really sorted out. So we'll wait and see. We could see big gaps in the market again in the open this week. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens at the open here. But currently I don't really have any plans to do anything here. If anyone else took the trade, because I did mention it in the group as I took it. If you have more positions, I have the 3, so I'm going to take out the one at the TDST support on the weekly. It's not too far away from the first target, but the next target for you there would be 84.37. So yeah, so we'll just kind of see how this one goes now. And on the weekly we're going to remove the trend line as well, unless we get a massive gap to the open. And then obviously wouldn't really look so good. And then on the monthly we're starting to come down towards that 87.04 level again, which we did remove only just, and then the market struggled on that week's high at 90.26. So we'll see what happens this week, but if we can get a good move down this week, be a nice clean removal of this bar here, the 87.04, and we could see a bit of a bearish leg coming into play here. And possibly, certainly on the daily, we're down to 84, possibly 80 going forward there. So we'll just need to wait and see. But currently, I'm just going to be just waiting here on what I've got, and see how things pan out. Okay, cheers.